Hi guys, it is Melanie. What is up? Today I'm going to be walking you guys through my night routine. I am ready to unwind whenever I get home. Sit in normal clothes. You will not see me walking around the house in jeans or with makeup on. Today I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Proactive for sponsoring this video because they really helped me to achieve the clear skin feeling, which I'm going to be mentioning a bunch about and showing you guys my skincare routine. They make it super easy to find the perfect routine for your skin type. They have Proactive MD, which is advanced for if you have more challenged skin, Proactive Plus, which is a more gentle skin type, Proactive Solution, which is the one that I use for pretty like normal regular skin types. It really helps me to achieve that clear skin feeling, especially with wearing masks all the time. I was starting to get some mask acne. Fabric can carry like a lot of bacteria. Skin plays such a big role in confidence. Even if other people can't see it that much, you notice everything on your skin. Loving how you both feel inside and out about your skin plays such a huge role in your confidence, which is why I've been loving using Proactive Solution, which is a 3-step system. They make it super easy because they literally label each bottle so that I never skip a step, because you know when you are tired, brush that off. It's okay, I'll do my skincare tomorrow. You can't do that to yourself. Knowing exactly what I'm gonna do, the system makes sure that I don't skip a step. So in my routine with Proactive Solution, there are 3 steps and they're all labeled on the bottles. I start off with step 1, which is the renewing cleanser. If I'm showering, because I am a night shower person, I will usually use this one in the shower. If I'm not, like tonight, I don't really do anything, I will just rinse my face in the sink and I'll use this. Love this stuff. It feels almost a little exfoliating, but my skin feels so nice and clean after I use this. Literally no matter what I had on my skin before, cleans it, purified, renewed. After I've done that and patted my face dry, I move on to step 2, which is the revitalizing toner. I just put this on a little like cotton pad thing. This really helps to, as it says, revitalize your skin and make sure to take out like all of the impurities if you like miss anything with the cleanser, especially if you're wearing makeup or anything like that. Just like a second wash, make sure your skin is really nice and clean. And then once I've done that, I move on to step 3, which is the repairing treatment. Kind of counteracts if there's any bacteria still left on your face, so it really helps protect your skin from any future like acne or anything. I like to concentrate it where I would get like my maskne. After that, that's pretty much it. Really simple, only 3 steps. This is my night routine, so I'm showing you guys what I do at night, but I also just do this in the morning too. Keeps it nice and simple. Absolutely love it. If you want to check out any of their systems and find which one fits you, be sure to check the link in my description box. Okay, so my skin is feeling very nice and refreshed. I'm gonna go change out of my little fancy outfit, as you can see, because I want to wear some sweatpants. So I'll see you in a second. Changing out of this into... Why do my lights do this? It's so weird. Okay, well, oh my gosh, like I can't do that. Alright guys, so I just filmed a try on haul. I changed into some very comfy clothes. As I said, I filmed a try on haul, so I have like a mess here. So I'm just gonna like put away all my clothes right now. Then we will do all the fun nighttime festivities. I have a lot planned for tonight. I'm very excited. Plus I'm calling it night. It's literally 5. What am I? Alright, and here is a nice little montage of me tidying up, cleaning, and doing my laundry. If only cleaning was actually that quick. And then after I put all my clothes away, I decided to do my devotional. Sometimes I do this in the morning, but this day I think I was busy, so I ended up doing it before bed, which I really like because then I can get a lot of things off my mind and off my heart. And then here's the very embarrassing but realistic truth of trying to take a thumbnail photo. Hopefully I use one of these. Let him in. Hi guys, so we have made our way downstairs, and would this be a Melanie video if I wasn't baking? We're gonna be making some brownies tonight. Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. I've been here. Don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so tonight I think I'm gonna be making some healthy brownies. Okay, let me show you what I have in mind, okay? I get this like brand cereal. They're called, I think it's literally just called Brand. They literally look disgusting, okay? They kind of taste, well, actually a lot of people have enjoyed them. Personally, obviously enjoy them because I eat them a lot, but it's literally like straight Bran. And on the back of the box, there's a recipe to make Bran brownies, which I like love Bran muffins. So like I've been filming so many videos today and I drank so much coffee that I physically cannot function. So Bran brownies. Update, I found a recipe. All right, now it's everybody's favorite time of the night, brownie baking time. This time around, apparently I tried to switch things up, and instead of playing my classic Taylor Swift, I was listening to Mac Miller, which is quite a change, but I was also trying a new brownie recipe. As you can see in the following clips, this stuff was thick, let me tell you. Like, sometimes I'm kind of confused because brownie dough can either be like really gooey like a batter, and sometimes it's like this. Like, I don't even know what this is called. It was thick stuff. In my extensive baking experience, as long as you add enough chocolate on top or in there somewhere, it will be good. So that is the motto I followed today. My brownies are baking. I'm gonna read a little bit. By the way, I don't know why it's literally 6. I'm so tired. Oh, why'd I do that? I'm so tired. Say hi, Mom. Hi. Maybe I'll finish it tonight. I got this book from Amazon because I've been to like 3 bookstores looking for it. It's called 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. Maybe I'll start reading this one too. This is really bad because I think I'm reading like 5. Well, if I start this one, then it will be 5 books right now. That's fine. I like when I watch shows or when I read, I like to have many options, or else it feels kind of like a chore to like read or watch any of them. This book I talked about in my video about books I've been reading. It's about this guy named Maury. He has ALS. Kind of mentors like this kid, well, kid at the time, who is the author of this book, Mitch Albom. Watching myself read in third person is really an experience. I guess this is what people would see if I was at the library, you know, if libraries were open. I am checking on my brownies. Whoa, those rose a lot. Guys, we have these really fat gloves, and like I can't really like move my hand when it's in here. Ooh, it looks kind of ugly. Maybe it'll taste good. We'll see. I feel like if I cut it, put some powdered sugar on it. I made myself a little fruit bowl. I just finished my book. Ah! Oh my gosh, I just saved that. Okay, I just finished this book. I think this might be one of my favorite books. It's just such a feel-good book, and it made me really happy, which sounds really strange because it's about a man who is dying. But if you read it, I think you'll definitely get it. His perspective. I wonder if you could hear Dad's burp on the
Oh, it's so bad.
Maury's perspective on life is just something different. He feels like he's my grandpa giving me life lessons. Definitely recommend you check this book out. Really, really good. And I think I would read it again. Let's go check on the brownies though. Guys, do you like the edges or the center of brownies more? Because I'm definitely like a gooey, I like stuff very undercooked. Like I like gooey cookie dough, I like undercooked the center of brownies for sure. If you like crispy, I don't know, that doesn't make sense to me. But then if we share brownies, you can eat the crispy edges and I'll eat the gooey centers. Taste test time. This definitely looks like a cakey brownie, which I cooked this for 10 minutes. Oopsies, 10 minutes less than the recipe said. So I can't imagine if I kept it in there for 30 minutes. I usually cook stuff like 5 minutes less anyways because I like stuff undercooked, as I was saying, but am I shaking so much? Do you see this? Not bad. It was gooier, but I think this would taste really good with like ice cream or something. These freaking lights, I'm so sorry. Okay guys, so you know how I told you that I have a very exciting night planned? That's because... Alright, I think I'm literally on a bit of a sugar high because I literally had 3 brownies. I went to my P.O. box. I told you guys that I opened one and I got some letters and packages. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing here. I also don't have a letter opener. I don't. This first letter is from Molly. This is so cool. Aww. I am so excited to write letters. Here's my plan. I'm gonna watch Bridgerton on my projector and then I'm gonna make you guys cards and respond to everyone. So cool. So cool. Olay bracelets. Oh, no way. She made me a mushroom bracelet. Oh gosh, I feel so spoiled. A handmade little girl one. She's 14 and you have a business? That's insane. I am so proud of you. Please check out Issa and her shop, Olay Bracelets. Look at all the cute stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty. Oh, guys, I'm literally gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Sophia. I can't wait to write back to you. Oh my gosh. Sadie. 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 I'm putting this on my wall. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, no way. Y'all have the nicest handwriting, let me say. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh, this is so sick. I couldn't even draw this. Okay, so this is the current setup right now. I have Bridgerton playing over here. A little projector. She's working hard. You can barely see it, to be honest. And I'm gonna start writing my letters. I'm so excited. I'm taking a break. I want some yogurt. Okay, now that we are back to this letter making montage, I just wanted to quickly pop in here and say thank you guys so much if you sent me a letter or anything in my PO box. It literally made my whole entire month. I love to chat with you guys in DMs and comments, but there's something so special about writing and receiving letters. Maybe it's just my weird obsession with always wanting to have a pen pal, but I love that I can be pen pals with you guys. Guys, I'm so sad. I just finished Bridgerton. I literally thought there was gonna be like 10 or 15 episodes for some reason, but there's only 8. I have one more card to make. I've been doing this for the past like 2 hours, but I'm enjoying it. I'm probably just going to, I already brushed my teeth. I could literally sleep right now. All right, guys, I just finished off all my letters for tonight. I had so much fun. Everyone who sent me stuff in my PO box, thank you so much. It really means the world. Other than that, I'm getting kind of tired. Usually I just read a little bit and then I go to sleep. So I'm gonna be reading this book. I probably won't finish it, but I always say that and then I end up staying up till like 4 and reading. But this is called The Beginning of Everything. It's pretty quirky. It's about this guy who basically fell from being like the top of the pyramid. He was like the star tennis player and stuff, and then he ends up like injuring himself, and then he ends up like on the debate team and like taking a different turn in his high school experience. But I really enjoy those like fun, entertaining books. I don't know, it's fun. So I think I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about these lights. Thank you to Proactive for sponsoring this video. Yeah, that was pretty much my night. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And these lights are stressing me out, so I'm just gonna say peace out and good night. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.
I know you wanna leave, so come on baby, be with me so happily.